Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
King Louis VII. When was Notre Dame built? The cathedral was built on a small island called the Ile de la Cité, in the middle of the Seine. Construction began in 1163, during the reign of King Louis VII, and was completed in 1345.
Take our lead.
Notre Dame Cathedral will be rebuilt the way it stood before the 2019 fire. The COVID-19 pandemic has slowed restoration work on Notre Dame Cathedral, as seen here on July 10, 2020. The French president just approved a historically accurate reconstruction plan for the Gothic cathedral, but work won't begin until 2021.
Take our lead.
Notre Dame Cathedral was commissioned by King Louis VII, who wanted it to be a symbol of Paris's political, economic, intellectual and cultural power at home and abroad. The city had emerged as the center of power in France and needed a religious monument to match its new status.
Take our lead.
The heart of Notre Dame had been saved. On 15 April 2019, an electrical short was the likely spark for a blaze that threatened to burn the 850-year-old cathedral to the ground. Following a protocol developed for just such a disaster, firefighters knew which works of art to rescue and in which order.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.